Today, we are going on a journey that probably feels all too familiar for any business owner. We're talking about the journey from total financial chaos to absolute clarity. Let's get right into it.
So, let me ask you this. Are you tired of being your own CFO? I mean, if you're an entrepreneur, this question probably hits pretty close to home, right? You're spending all these late nights staring at spreadsheets, feeling a lot more like a stressed-out accountant than the visionary leader you're supposed to be. And that really gets to the heart of what we call the entrepreneur's dilemma. It's this never-ending battle between actually running your business and getting completely bogged down by the numbers that are meant to fuel it in the first place.
I bet this list looks familiar. You're juggling a mountain of invoices, you've got that constant nagging worry about cash flow, and the stress of tax deadlines. All while your costs just seem to creep up, maybe you miss a critical deadline here and there, and you're left flying blind with no real idea of your company's financial health. It is absolutely exhausting.
Here's the most important part, though. It's not just about how annoying these tasks are. It's about what they're stealing from you. Every single hour you spend buried in bookkeeping, it's an hour you're not spending on big picture strategy, on innovation, on actually doing what you love and growing your business.
But what if you could break that cycle? What if there was a better way? Well, this is where we see a huge shift in focus, from being trapped by the problem to finally embracing a really powerful modern solution. And that solution is AI-powered offshore accounting. So what is that exactly? Well, think of it as a two-part powerhouse. On one hand, you've got a skilled, global team of experts handling your books, your payroll, and your taxes. And on the other hand, that team is supercharged by intelligent AI that automates all the repetitive stuff, making everything faster and way more accurate. And the transformation is literally night and day. The before is all about late night spreadsheets and endless manual data entry that leads to reactive, panic decisions. The after? We're talking streamlined workflows, smart automation, proactive insights that let you see around corners, and finally, total clarity.
So, how does this all actually work? Come on, let's pop the hood and take a look at the AI-powered engine that's really driving this whole transformation.
Okay, first the AI automates that soul-crushing data entry and reconciliation, which almost completely eliminates human error. That's huge. Second, you get these real-time dashboards, so you always know exactly where you stand financially, no more nasty surprises. Third, it uses predictive analytics to help you make way smarter decisions. It's kind of like having a crystal ball for your cash flow. It can spot a potential cash crunch in Q4 way back in July, giving you plenty of time to act instead of scrambling at the last minute. And finally, it automates compliance monitoring, which helps everyone sleep a little better at night.
Now, this is a really crucial point. This is not about robots coming in and taking over, not at all. It's about empowering that skilled global team. The AI does the grunt work, the repetitive, high-volume tasks, and that frees up the human experts to focus on what they do best, high-level analysis and strategy that benefits your business. You really get the best of both worlds.
All right, let's talk about results. Because this isn't just a cool idea in theory, it delivers real, tangible outcomes. This is how we actually get from that state of chaos we talked about to a new state of total clarity.
I mean, the data just speaks for itself. Businesses that make this switch see these dramatic improvements across the board. We're talking about huge gains in efficiency, real measurable cost savings, and a massive leap forward in financial accuracy. The numbers don't lie.
So what does that efficiency actually look like in the real world? It means you could get back up to 40% of the time you used to pour into financial admin. Just stop and think about that for a second. What could you do for your business with nearly half your week back? So let's connect the dots here. That 40% isn't just a number on a slide. It translates into more time for you to focus on strategic growth. It means having rock-solid confidence in your financial data. It gives you the ability to make faster, smarter decisions. And maybe the most important thing of all, it gives you genuine peace of mind.
So, this brings us to the most important part of this whole story, your next chapter. How do you take all of this and actually apply it to your own business journey?
It really just boils down to this one simple question. Are you ready to trade in all that financial stress for strategic focus? Are you ready to stop being the overwhelmed part-time CFO and start being the focused leader your business truly needs?
The big takeaway here is simple. Focus on what you do best, on innovating and growing your business, and let that powerful combination of human experts and intelligent AI handle the finances. That is the real path from chaos to clarity. The only question left is, are you ready to take it?